Hello and welcome to Domino's booth at Label Expo 2014. It's great to see so many of you here today for the first ever showing of the 7-colour Domino N610i. The N610i sets new standards in digital printing productivity and print quality, allowing our customers to grow their businesses more profitably. The press here today is our 7-colour version, including newly launched orange and violet, allowing us to access over 90% of the Pantone range. Imagine the potential you could offer your customers by showing them an entire Pantone book printed on this press. This single print is simply not possible on any Flexo press. But how will the N610i benefit your business? It will offer the following 4 major advantages: the highest productivity, the most consistent print results, the best digital UV inkjet quality with 600 by 600 DPI resolution and powered by S.A.U, and the simplest operating model. The N610i uses tightly controlled UV ink with chemical fade and scratch-resistant properties. You will see smoother vignettes, repeatable colour, and the ability to print finer text down to a 2-point font. By extending our colour gamut to include orange and violet, we've not only extended the warm region of our colour range, our green region is also enhanced. The N610i uses 13.1-inch print width, operates at speeds of up to 246 feet per minute, that's 14,700 linear feet per hour. Need to print on white or an extended colour gamut? Even then, the N610i prints at speeds of 164 feet per minute, that's 9,800 linear feet per hour. Our white has the highest opacity on the market, at over 70% when printed at 164 feet per minute. Its unique thick film and smooth finish have allowed it to become a common replacement for screen printing technology. It has the look and feel of screen white, but without the cost, waste and mess. To quote one of our customers who has 4 different types of digital printing technology, "There is no other press that prints that quality at that speed. I can print 3,000 feet in 20 minutes. Domino's products have a set of unique iTech intelligent technology features, delivering superior performance to our customers. First, ActFlow. ActFlow recirculates the ink continuously through the system, ensuring that the ink temperature remains constant, air bubbles are removed, and the risk of ink starvation is eliminated from the printing process. Manual printhead maintenance is an uncontrolled process which can lead to increased maintenance and even damage and unpredictable downtime. iTech CleanCap both protects the printheads when not in operation and also maintains them through the automated maintenance process. A controlled 1-minute process ensures exceptional print nozzle performance and extended printhead life. Finally, iTech StitchLink. iTech StitchLink uses micromotor controllers to adjust the printheads to micron levels of precision. No need for crude printhead tool adjustment. Seamless print across the full web width. You'll see we also have our LED curing lamp. This allows us to control the ink flow, creating the sharpest image on the widest range of standard label stocks. We have an ink-only model. You pay for what you use. There are no click charges and no cost penalties due to frame sizes or excess colour. We print on standard Flexo materials without the need to pre-coat or the need to over-varnish. There are no plates to make, inventory or mount. Make ready is a matter of minutes with the potential for no waste between jobs. Domino's 7-colour N610i digital label press really is a tool for future business growth.